Hi, my name is William, and I'm one of the founders of Sweep. Sweep is an AI-powered junior developer. Previously, Sweep wrote this method called checkCommentPresence, which checks if a comment is present in a file given its extension and the code. So for Python, we'll check the Python comment symbol, and similarly for other languages. Today, we asked Sweep to write unit tests for this code. As we can see, there's a small bug where if the pattern is not found, we will check against an empty string, which will always return true. So let's ask Sweep to handle unsupported file types, as well as add unit tests. Here, Sweep added these 4 commits. So let's see what these are. First, we added this test, which checks for a txt file. So in this case, it checks this comment, and this should return false. But in the actual code, this does not return false, as we'll see here, where the unit test failed. So the unit test failed, and Sweep actually decided to modify the comment utils. So it says modify the checkCommentPresence function to check if it's supported. If it's not supported, we should immediately return false. Sweep wrote this code to fix it, and if its file extension is not in the comment patterns, we'll return false. Sweep was also able to validate this code using our sandbox feature. So the sandbox feature runs the Python file, and for the tests, we'll actually run the tests. And for the new comment utils function, we'll run pilot, as well as running the function itself, which outputs nothing and passes. Finally, we go back and we run the original tests, which both pass pilot and finally pass. So Sweep gives us these 2 things. First, we have a fixed business logic where it actually checks for the file extension not being present, and we have these unit tests for our code to prevent any issues in the future. Nice work, Sweep.